back to my channel. Today's video is a little bit different from my normal videos. I am actually filming in my bedroom. Today's video is about everything workout and fitness related. I'm going to be showing you guys everything that I keep in my gym bag. So if you want to find out everything that I keep in there, just keep on watching. Okay, so I do have my gym bag here. I got this bag on Amazon and it is from Nike. You can see the Nike logo, and my gym bag is always bulky, and I'm sure a lot of people that go to the gym with just their earphones and a water bottle always ask, why do people have these big ass gym bags? So I'm going to show you guys everything that I keep in there and why I keep all those items that I'm going to show you in my bag. So the first item that I always, and everything I'm going to show you guys, I need everything that I keep in here, I have to have before I go to the gym, and I'm going to tell you why. So the first item that I have in my bag is this Nike cap, and I always wear this cap every time I work out. It's just weird, every time I'm sweating, I like to wear a gym hat, and I like wearing a cap specifically because it just, I don't know, I feel like it just holds all my sweat in, and I don't know, it just somehow helps me tune in. I don't know, I like it. It's one of those that I can't go to the gym without. I have to have my hat. Like it makes a difference when I work out. I don't know, I can't even explain it, but it just does. Okay, so the next item is a fanny pack, and this is a Nike fanny pack. And I love going to the gym with a fanny pack. I'm sure some of you are wondering, why do you need a fanny pack when you have a gym bag? Well, sometimes when I'm just going to the gym to run on a treadmill for an hour, I don't need to walk around with my gym bag because I'm not going to use anything from my bag. So I just carry around a fanny pack. I just put in my phone, a towel, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So it's just easy for me to reach in and grab rather than having a bulky bag with me that I'm not using, you know. So that's why I always have a fanny pack with me. Also, when I'm running outside, I like to have my fanny pack with me because I can just put in my phone, my keys, maybe a mask, just things that I would need while I'm on the go that I don't necessarily need to put in a gym bag to carry around. So that's why I have a fanny pack. The next item is a jump rope. So I always have a jump rope with me in my gym bag because every time I'm warming up before a workout, I like to jump a rope because it's just intense and it gets me warmed up really quickly. I got this jump rope from Amazon and I like it. I mean, it was really cheap too. I think it was $5. So I always have this with me because it's just quick cardio, quick warm up. I don't need to do anything too intense. This just gets the job done. So that's that. The next item that I'm going to show you are my gym gloves. So I always have gloves in my bag because when I'm lifting heavy weights, I like to have gloves on because my hands are so sensitive. I like to use gloves because I don't like my palms feeling rough and, you know, like not female-like. I like to keep that feminine side of me, you know, and still work out. So I try to not lift weights barehanded. I like to kind of have a layer over my hands, that way I'm not hurting myself, and it's just easier for me when I lift with gloves on. So I like using gloves. And the next item is my wraps. So I use wraps every time I am deadlifting, and again, it's the same concept as using gloves. I don't like using my hands on the bare weight bar itself because it just hurts me and it just leaves marks. I don't like it. So I like to use wraps. These wraps are from bodybuilding.com. I like to use these because they help me get a very strong grip on the bar, gets my workout going. I don't have to worry about the bar being wiggly and, you know, not secured and sturdy. So that's why I walk around with these wraps in my bag. Next item, headphones. I mean, I can never go work out without headphones. I will go back home, get my little headphones, and go back to the gym. Like, I mean, these are a must. So I like having these in my gym bag because it just makes it easy for me to work out and just tune out. And I like, one thing I should mention though about having a gym bag is that you can just throw everything in there, and if you have to go to the gym, you just pick up one bag and go, versus having to look for everything each time you have to work out. It just makes it easy and also prevents you from forgetting things once you get to the gym. So the next item is resistant bands. So I love having resistant bands in my gym bag because they just help a lot when warming up, when stretching at the end of my workout. They are just such a go-to. They help with when I'm doing a lot of body conditioning exercises, and they're so versatile. You can do so much with resistant bands. I also like them because if you're not at the gym, you can work out with them at home. You can come up with a variety of different workouts, and you can use resistant bands for whatever you're targeting that day. And yeah, I like having them in my bag. All these 3 resistant bands have different flexibility levels. So I do have one that's heavy, and then I have one that's extra heavy, and then I have one that's medium. I had one that was light and I broke it. That's what happened. So I have these 3, and I got these from Amazon as well. And the next item is a towel. So I like to have a towel. Every time I go to the gym, I sweat a lot. Like, it's insane how much I sweat. So I like having a towel with me so I can just, you know, dry up and just keep on working. Okay, another item that I keep in my bag is a banana. I'm sure someone is wondering, why do you have a banana in your bag? I actually like keeping bananas and apples in my bag when I'm going to work out because they just help boost my fiber, especially bananas. Boost your fiber levels. They help you just get that energy that you need to get working out, especially when I am lifting heavy weights. So I like to have fruits that help boost my system to get me to where I need to get before I start lifting heavy weights. So that's why I always keep a banana in here. I keep an apple as well sometimes, just to get my sugar levels up to be able to lift effectively. So that's why I have this in there. The next item that I have in my bag is an extra pair of workout gear. So I like to have an extra outfit in my bag just in case, you know, something happens, if my pants rip or if I'm sweating too much and I need to change, what have you. I like to just have an extra outfit in my bag, you know, to just make things easy for me. I also have socks. I always keep socks with me, you know, just in case. Same reason, if I need to work out and I don't have an outfit on me, I know I always have socks in my bag. Also, if I forget to pack socks, I know I'm always gonna have a pair with me. I actually have 2 pairs in my bag. I have ankle socks and then I have the long socks. And the last item that I have in my bag are squatting shoes. So I like to have a pair of flat shoes like this when I'm squatting and when I'm lifting, deadlifting, or doing any kind of row exercises. Any type of heavy lifting, I like to have well, let me take that back. Any type of leg workout that requires heavy lifting, I like to use flat shoes because they just help you have a better grip. Your toes have a better grip on the surface and you lift more effectively and more efficiently. So that's why I like having surface level flat shoes in my bag. For that reason, these are always my go-to squatting shoes, deadlifting shoes, row shoes, anything heavy lifting. These are my go-to. So I always keep this in my bag. I don't need to put my running shoes in here because I always wear those when I'm going to the gym. So these are always my changing shoes if I need to do a specific workout that requires heavy lifting. So that is it. And I also like to keep a water bottle in my bag. I have it in my car. I don't have it here because I use it in the car as well. But I like to keep a water bottle in my gym bag just so I can always stay hydrated and have water with me to use. That is it. That's all that I keep in my gym bag. I can't think of anything else. Oh, in the winter time when it gets cold, I like to keep a hoodie in here just so I'm always warm in case it gets cold and I don't have anything with me that I can take to the gym. I have a hoodie that I put in here as well that I easily use. That's all. So now you guys know what most females, or well, I don't know what other females have in their gym bags, but you know what I have in my bag. And a lot of people have similar things in their bags. People, you know, depending on what they work out on. But a lot of things seem to be standard that people carry around. Now you know why people carry these big, bulky gym bags. It's just to have your stuff with you and not have to, you know, look around to get everything that you need. I just realized I have a mask in my bag as well, so I always keep one in there anyways, just in case. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to put a link down below of my workout routine. I did a video, I think a year ago, on my workout routine, so I'll put that down below in the description. I will also put a link down below for my Gymshark fashion haul. I did a Gymshark haul once upon a time, and you guys will be able to see these outfits and the one that I showed you and a couple more. So check those out. Let me know what you thought about this video down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.